Yo guys, what is going on? Thank you for checking out the video. Today we are outside on the Talaria XXX, and the goal of today's video is to get some foot brake working. So we're just gonna practice some of the foot brake. I'm gonna head up to a little closed section of MLK, and we're gonna see what we can't do. I really want to get good at one hands, no hands eventually, so just get comfy with the foot brake is the goal. It's a Friday in this city. It's always busy on Fridays. Let's pull this thing up. We haven't wheelied at all, guys. Woo! What are you doing, Connor? You gotta be doing foot brake practice. Come on now. I am a little hesitant doing just foot brake in traffic. This guy wasn't looking at all. Just because I'm not trying to loop in traffic, you know, but foot brake only. Back to handbrake. This guy likes it. Down to a side saddle. And you know what I say? I say let's get back up to an Enoch. Let's get back down to a sit down. Let's drop our throttle in. Always get hyped once, you know, you hit the weekend hits. All right, so we're gonna head up out of the city, technically, up to MLK here. Usually it's closed on weekends, but it's still Friday, so it's probably not closed yet, but tomorrow it'll be closed. But there's a portion of it that's closed still, so that's where we're gonna go. We got it. Haven't had a nice little moto vlog in a bit. Hope you guys will enjoy this. Or just stop in the middle of the street and whip your door open, bro. Just a good time. Shit on my mind. Hopefully no one is turning. You're hurt. Bruh. Mirrors! Use your mirrors! Woo! Guys, even though I'm doing a wheelie, I'm in the bike lane. Like, that's a bike lane right there. You know, I pretty much foresaw that coming. That's why I was like, getting ready to turn. Woo-wee, a little heart pumping to start. It's all good though. I'm not gonna road rage on him. I mean, I am doing wheelies here. Granted, he should still be looking because I'm in the bike lane. He was just on the phone, but whatever. Everybody messes up sometimes. Oh yeah, I got the old trolley. Nice, Philadelphia Trolley Works. Foot brake, we love a foot brake. Ah! All that foot brake, baby. Ah! Let's practice, baby. Foot brake only. Might regret this, but let's not cover the rear handbrake. See, so we're really squeezing the frame here. Okay. Let's get a hand drag quick. I haven't done a proper right-hand hand drag in a little bit. On the uphill. Got it. Drop back, pussy. Yeah. Yeah. Still chasing that a bit though. Hit a little stoppy here. Hey, not bad. Yeah, we need to drop back just a bit more.
That's my bag. Sorry, gotta kick it out. That's my bag.
Very happy. Guys, we do have the beautiful boathouse row here, if you can see it through. I don't know if you can even see it through these leaves, but we gotta lock in, guys. It's lock-in time. Guys, you want to get better? This is what you gotta do to get better. Come and practice alone by yourself. You're not practicing in the streets. You're not getting better. When you're riding in the streets, you're getting better. Ooh, throttle one hand with the foot brake. You're getting better when you are practicing. Who would have thought? Who would have thought? So that's a foot brake drop back. Guys, like, again, you're just gonna be able to string together so many cool trick lines, like switching from foot brake to hand brake. No handers are the eventual goal. Let's go into a Ninox circle.
That's my bag. Sorry, gotta kick it out. That's my bag. Trying to wrestle my money, wanna try that.
Let's go. Let's go.
You know I be watching my step, that's right. I'm the reason why your girl left, that's right. I just call players when they call to the ref. Got them on the neck rep, taking shots, that's right.
See, I just don't like that we're not, like, coasting you doing the one hands. I just ate some old chicken in my fridge. Whew, stomach is not, I don't think the stomach is liking it right now. Might have to go dig a hole in the woods. All foot brake. I accidentally went in and grabbed handbrake there. Too much muscle memory, I'm sorry. Okay, okay. Oh, yo! Throttle one hander on the foot brake, you know what that means? Well, you can take this out knife and do a no hands. Get a feel for that foot brake. I thought about it for a split second, but I'm like, 45, 50, 55, 60. Drop back, foot brake, come on, slow it down, slow it down. Slow it down! Oh, it probably didn't look that crazy, but that scared me. I was hitting the foot brake and it just wasn't going, then I'm just like, ah! See, this is what we have to learn though, for real. Woo! Rocket ship! Look at this shite. Oh, I forgot there's actually trails up here. I'd say I'm an authorized vehicle. Was not planning on this being an off-road video, but now it is. Gotta be careful with my foot brake here that we don't get it caught up on anything though. Can't ride. Oh, dude, what did I just say? What did I just say, bro? I just slammed the shit out of it. Good durability test, I reckon. I'm so bad at off-road riding, jeez. Okay, let's just continue onwards, I reckon. This is definitely a van lifer right here. You see the fan, the solar. Very cool. Such a pussy jump. I'm afraid for myself riding on 15 kilowatts in this grass. It's crazy power. Look, no front brake. I'm just gonna gun it. So much power. All right, let's go back to mode 1 before we kill ourselves here. Traffic hack, just get a Talaria. Okay guys, it's actually not that far. We're gonna get a little crazy. Oh, and there's traffic? No big deal. 76 on the Talaria. Just hope we don't see any stadies. Philly cops are one thing. State trippers though? Eee. Oh, look at this little stubby van. I like that. Don't mind me just coming through on the highway. The best part is my bike can easily do the speed limit, which is 50. Might as well pull it up here in traffic. Literally on the highway. Gotta be careful on the highway though, because people merge a lot crazier. Getting calls in. We got an electric bicycle on the highway. Wasn't me, sir. Wasn't me. Guys, I took my Razor on the highway once, but that was like a part of the highway that was in Center City, so like it was one exit. Me and Miles did it, so it wasn't bad. Okay, goodbye highway, goodbye traffic. There's a state trooper right there. Oh my gosh, God is freaking got me covered on that. Jeez. Imagine the state he just saw me cruise by on this thing. she waved back. We're gonna head back into Center City, pop by the art museum, I reckon. See what's good there. There's probably some bikes out, to be honest. But whoo, look at that view, baby. And then probably head back home. But yeah, guys, I'm liking this foot brake. Let me know what you guys think of these moto vlogs. Oh my. Gotta love rush hour. Bra, 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 bra. It's like a school field trip. Can't believe there's no bikes here right now. Well, guys, as always, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We're on our road to 100K right now. So if you could sub, I'd greatly appreciate it. I forgot I was using this. Used it on the highway. You know, I was trying to be road legal compliant. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We're going to continue to learn this foot brake here. Hopefully every video you see, I just continue to get better. Hopefully this doesn't get, you know, smushed by the shock. But all right, guys, I'll catch you next time. Peace.
Step into the office with my clientele. I could tell you a joke, might as well entertain me like Chappelle. You